All right, Knight's Armament, SR-15. The paracord is just frozen up. Are we gonna crush soles? Oh, come on, safety. Got it. Fuck you, Kalashnikov group. Okay, if you wanna come over here, bolt lock to the rear.
What keeps causing that?
I'm guessing ice.
Like underneath the mag head?
Yeah, or something like pushing up on it. It shouldn't. Okay, let's try to. Huh. Damn it to hell. All right. We use AK round here. Try to push that magazine catch. Dude, my hands are so cold. Come on, get out of there.